Have you ever gone for a walk doing what everyone says is the best exercise, yet felt your legs heavy, tired, or dragging behind you? You sit down, rub your calves, and wonder, why does walking feel harder these days? You're not weak, and it's not your fault. See, there's a hidden muscle deep in your lower leg that scientists are now calling your second heart. If that muscle is asleep, everything walking, balance, even standing still becomes harder. But the good news is, it's not gone. It's just waiting to be reactivated. Today, I'll show you 3 gentle exercises that wake up this second heart, restore circulation, and bring energy back to your legs, all from home, with no gym needed. Stick with me till the end, because once you feel this muscle wake up, you'll feel younger from the ground up. Exercise 1. Seated heel raise. Wake your second heart. Let's start easy sitting down, because this first move reactivates the most important muscle. Most people ignore the soleus, so it's small, deep in your calf, and every time it squeezes, it pushes blood back up toward your heart, reducing swelling, fatigue, and even dizziness. But after 60 people stop using it enough. Walking alone just gives it a light tap. We're about to wake it fully. How to do it. 1. Sit tall on a sturdy chair. Feet flat on the floor, knees at a 90-degree angle. 2. Keep your palms on your knees, or use 2 small bottles for gentle pressure. 3. Press the balls of your feet down and slowly lift both heels as high as possible. 4. Feel that squeeze in your lower legs. That's your second heart pumping. 5. Hold for 2 seconds, then slowly lower down. 6. Repeat 10 to 15 times, once or twice daily. This small, quiet movement sends a message to your body. Wake up. Support me. You'll start to feel less swelling, lighter steps, and more stability. If you have DVT, severe varicose veins, or calf pain, check with your doctor first. In just 2 minutes a day, you've reconnected with the power inside your legs. Exercise 2. Standing calf raise from gravity to power. Now, let's stand up. This second move takes that activation and teaches your legs to support your weight again. Ever stand up and feel a little shaky? Maybe reach for the wall. That's your balance system saying, I'm asleep. But we're going to wake it gently and safely. How to do it? 1. Stand facing a sturdy chair or counter for support. 2. Keep feet hip-width apart, toes pointing straight. 3. Slowly lift both heels as high as you can. 4. Pause at the top. Feel your calves working. 5. Lower slowly. Don't drop your heels. 6. Repeat 10 to 15 times twice a day, morning and evening. Each lift pumps blood upward, drains swelling, and trains your ankles and knees to balance automatically. You'll notice steadier walking, smoother steps, and better posture. If you have recent ankle or foot surgery or struggle with balance, stay with the seated version for now. Each repetition isn't just exercise, it's confidence training. You're teaching your body, I am not fragile, I'm getting stronger. Exercise 3, bent knee calf raise. Unlock your deep stability. Now, we go deeper to the hidden strength layer. Most people never train this muscle, but it's the true secret to lifelong balance and fall prevention. How to do it? 1. Stand behind a sturdy chair. Lightly hold for balance. 2. Shift weight to your right leg. Lift your left heel slightly off the floor. 3. Bend your right knee a little. Just a soft bend, not a squat. 4. Now lift your right heel slowly up and down. 5. Do 8 to 12 reps. Then switch sides. That soft bend transfers the work from the outer calf to the soleus, the endurance muscle that supports your joints all day. You'll feel it closer to your ankle, deep and steady. This muscle doesn't tire easily. It's built to keep you upright, aligned and balanced. When it wakes up, your walking feels lighter, your steps more stable, and your legs stronger. Avoid this if you have severe balance issues or recent ankle surgery. But otherwise, this is your key to moving freely again. Closing message. You just reawakened something powerful in your body's second heart. With these 3 simple moves, seated, standing, and bit raises, you're not just exercising. You're building independence, balance, and freedom. It's not about age, it's about activation. You didn't lose your strength, your body just needed a reminder. So, if you felt something change today, even slightly, drop a comment. Second heart activated. And if you want more simple science-backed exercises to stay strong after 60, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video that keeps you moving with confidence.